Have you ever seen a coin that's quietly setting up for a powerful breakout? The kind of move that could surprise both buyers and sellers? Well, that's exactly what's happening right now on ALLO coin. And in this analysis, we're going to break it all down step by step so you're ready before the move happens. So as you can see, we are on ALLO coin, and since this is a relatively new coin, we're analyzing it closely on the 4-hour time frame for a broader perspective. But for better candle clarity, let's switch briefly to the 1-hour time frame to see the market structure in detail. If you look closely, the overall direction of ALLO coin is currently in a downtrend. The price action is forming a clear series of lower highs and lower lows, which tells us that sellers are still dominant in the market. However, something interesting is forming around this zone. We can clearly identify a falling wedge chart pattern. Now, if you're familiar with price action, you know that falling wedge is a bullish reversal pattern, meaning that even though the market is in a downtrend, this pattern could signal a potential breakout to the upside very soon. But as you can see, there isn't enough trading space inside this wedge for a safe entry. So instead of forcing trades inside the pattern, we'll be waiting patiently for a breakout before taking any position. Here's what we're watching for. If the market breaks above the upper trend line, we'll wait for a retest around 0.4, look for a bullish candlestick confirmation, and that will be our signal to buy from there to the upside. On the other hand, if the price breaks below the lower trend line, that means sellers are taking over again. In that case, we'll wait for a retest around the same 0.3 level and look for a bearish candlestick as confirmation to sell from there to the downside. Right now, both buyers and sellers are in a battle of patience. Buyers are quietly waiting for a clean breakout above the wedge to confirm their strength, while sellers are holding their ground, expecting the pattern to fail and the price to continue dropping. This kind of market situation usually traps impatient traders who jump in too early. The key here is discipline, waiting for the market to show you proof before making a move. So, in summary, ALLO coin is currently in a downtrend, but the market is forming a falling wedge chart pattern, which could lead to a potential bullish breakout. We're not trading inside the wedge. We'll wait for confirmation. If the market breaks the upper trend line and retests, we'll buy from there to up. But if it breaks the lower trend line instead, we'll wait for a retest and sell from there to down. What do you think, traders? Will buyers finally take control and push ALLO coin to the upside, or will sellers hold the market down again? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Until then, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.